In the last class, we discussed the river project of India, and today's topic, lakes of India. Today's topic, lakes of India. There are the three type of the lake. First one is the freshwater lake. Second number, saltwater lake. Saltwater lake. Third number, man-made lake. Man-made lake. So first one is the freshwater lake, Buller Lake. Buller Lake. It is the India's largest lake. It is largest lake of India. Largest lake of India. It is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. Third number, it is fed by, it is situated in Jammu and Kashmir, and it is fed by, otherwise fill up by Jhelum River. Next one is the second number, Dal Lake. Dal Lake. It is also situated in the Jammu and Kashmir. It is also situated in.
सर ये कौन सी कैटेगरीज के लेक है ये दोनों?
बच्चे दोनों फ्रेश वाटर लेक हैं. It is the largest freshwater lake. Sorry, wrote it down. It is largest freshwater lake. Dal Lake also freshwater lake in Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Arhant, any doubt? Arhant, any doubt?
Sir, this Dal Lake is Jammu Kashmir.
बच्चे दे दाल लेक नहीं है, इट्स कॉल्ड टू डल लेक. ठीक है, दाल नहीं है, जो खाने वाली दाल नहीं है. ठीक है, इट्स कॉल्ड टू डल लेक. ठीक है, कल को बोलोगे कि कर सर कोई सब्जी लेक भी है. ठीक है, इट्स कॉल्ड टू डल. लोकटक लेक. थर्ड वन इज दी लोकटक लेक. लोकटक लेक. Loktak Lake, it is only freshwater lake. It is only freshwater lake of northern eastern India. Northern eastern India. Northern eastern India. Second number, it is situated in Manipur. other lakes situated in the Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. First one is the Anantnag Lake. Second number, Verinag Lake. Third number, Sheshnag Lake. Fourth number, Gangabal Lake. Fifth number, Manabal Lake. Lakes of the Jammu, lakes of Himachal Pradesh. Lakes of Himachal Pradesh. Which lake situated in the Himachal Pradesh? First one is the Surajtal Lake. And second one is the Chandratal Lake. Or next one, lakes of the Uttarakhand. Which lake situated in the Uttarakhand? Lakes of Uttarakhand. First number, Nainital Lake. Second number, Bhimtal Lake. Next one is the lake of the Rajasthan. Lakes of the Rajasthan. First number, सांबर लेक. सांबर कोई डिश नहीं है, ठीक है. दिस इज द लेक. कहीं ऐसा सोच लो कि इडली सांबर वो खाने वाला है, ठीक है. दिस इज द सांबर लेक. इट इज द सॉल्ट वाटर लेक. ये खारे पानी की झील है, salt water lake, situated in the Rajasthan. Next one is the Didwana Lake. It is also situated in Rajasthan. Didwana Lake in Rajasthan. Third number, Pithoragarh Lake. It is also situated in the Rajasthan. Another two lake also situated in the Rajasthan. Fourth number, Jaisand Lake. And fifth number, Rajasand Lake. Lonar Lake situated in the Maharashtra. It is situated in Maharashtra. And next one is the Chilka Lake. It is the India's largest salt water lake. It is India's largest salt water lake of India. Where it is situated? It is situated in Odisha. Bete minute Sanchita. Next one is the Bambanath Lake. Babanath Lake. Babanath Lake, it is situated in the Kerala. It is situated in Kerala. Second number, it is famous for Nehru Trophy, and Nehru Trophy for the snake boat race. Nehru Trophy for snake boat race. Snake boat race. Third number, it is India's longest lake. It is India's longest lake. Next one, Pulicat Lake. Pulicat Lake. It is situated on situated in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu border. Tamil Nadu border. Yes, beta, Mahika, any doubt? Next one, some other important fact. Some other important fact about the lakes. First one, India's deepest lake, सबसे गहरी झील. India's deepest lake कौन सी है? Manava Lake. Manava Lake. Where situated the Manava Lake? It is situated in the Jammu and Kashmir. Second number, India's highest lake. India's highest lake. Where situated the India's highest lake? Which is the India's highest lake? It is named as a Chelamu. Chelamu Lake. Where situated it? It is situated in the Sikkim. Next one, third number, India's largest freshwater lake. सबसे बड़ी मीठे पानी की झील कौन सी है? उसका नाम है बुल्लर. बुल्लर कहाँ पे है? अभी लिखवाया था पीछे, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में. फोर्थ नंबर, India's largest saltwater lake. India's largest saltwater lake. Which is India's largest saltwater lake? Chilika Lake. Next one, fifth number, India's longest lake. India's longest lake. That's name Babanath Lake, situated in the Kerala. Situated in the Kerala. Okay, done. So this is our last slide today.